Hey, hey, hey! Welcome back to Melinda's Messy Sink. Today's video is a seafood collaboration video. We will be having these seafood collabs every Friday for the month of April. I'm so excited to be working with Tay from the channel What's Cooking with Tay. I will have Tay's channel listed below in the description box, as well as a playlist of tons of great creators who are making seafood dishes for you. So my recipe today is a little bit of a nostalgic one. We are making this classic style of salmon patties. My husband loves these. My father-in-law used to make them all of the time, and my house would reek of salmon patties. So now it's so odd how it's a pleasant smell. It makes me think of my father-in-law. So let's go ahead and get into this super easy recipe that I found on Pinterest. I will have the recipe linked in the description box below as well. Hey guys, tonight for dinner we are going to make salmon patties. I am going to be using 3 cans this size of the skinless, boneless pink salmon. So what we're going to do is we're going to open these up and we're going to get them drained. These are not like the larger cans where you've got to get rid of all the skin and the bones. So I thought the easy route would be to take these, that they've already done the work for us. We need a 14.75 ounce can, and these are a 5 ounce can, so we're going to use 3 of them. All right, I have my salmon all broken up, drained and broken up. I'm going to add 1 egg, some diced onion. Then these are the only saltine crackers we could find when we were at the grocery store. So I'm going to put 2 of these small packages. I'm going to crush them up in a gallon-sized bag. This is the first time I've made this recipe. My father-in-law used to make the salmon patties at our house, and so this looked to be the closest to what he used to do. So we may have to adjust a little bit, but wanted to start with the basic recipe. These are for classic potato cakes. And I will be sure to link that recipe in the description box below that I found on Pinterest. So I know for sure I'm going to need to add another egg, and then I'm going to add just a little bit of milk. That's what he would put in his. All right, we're going to give it a test here. After I get this stirred up, we're going to give it a test, and we're going to see if these will hold the shape of a patty. It looks to me like they will, but let's give it a try here. Oh yeah, perfect. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to start pattying out. And this is really your preference of how big or how little that you want your salmon patties. Babe, how big do you want them? You want them? Is that okay?
A little bigger. There you go. There you go. Good.
Okay, salmon patty number 1. I'm just going to keep on going till I get everything all pattied out. I've got my salmon all pattied up. I'm going to meet you over on my cooktop where I'm preheating some vegetable oil. All right, we're gonna drop in a little piece. Yep, we're getting there. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and drop our patties in. Spread these out, give them plenty of room. And we'll be back when it's time to give them a flip. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and give them a flip. What I like to use is like a fork or a knife because they are slippery little suckers. All right, so we have our first batch done. All right, we'll be back. I'll meet you over on the counter once I get these last two done. And here are our golden fried classic salmon patties. I cannot wait to dive in. And that's how easy you can get these classic salmon patties on your table for dinner. They come together with minimal ingredients and they are packed full of flavor. Wanted to thank Tay from the channel What's Cooking with Tay so much for hosting this collaboration and inviting me to participate. Also, just wanted to remind you about the playlist of the creators who have created seafood dishes for you. And one other thing, we will be doing these collabs every Friday for the month of April. Last but not least, don't forget, Jesus loves you. I'll see you guys in the next one.